Benefits of Himalayan Salt Lamp. Himalayan salt is a natural ionizer. When this salt is heated by light bulb, it will emit negative ions. These negative ions get attached with positive ions in the air. They will finally settle on the floor. It will help to give a natural and multicolor lighting to your room. It purifies the air as it neutralizes positive ions. It improves memory as it increases oxygen concentration in the air. It will help to reduce asthma and allergic symptoms. It helps in improving breathing. It will help you to increase your energy level. It improves sleep as you expose to negative ions oxygenated blood supply to brain increases. This will help in peaceful sleep, as it increases serotonin production, which will aid in healing seasonal depression. It will help in improving productivity and reduces stress. It will help to improve your mood. It is an eye-pleasing decorative lamp which will give a natural beauty to your room.